How do I delete my search history on Chegg?
Hello there. Welcome to our guide on how to delete your search history on Chegg. Chegg is a great tool for studying, but sometimes we need to erase our search history for various reasons. Today, we'll go through each step to achieve this. Let's dive in.
What is search history and why you might want to clear it?
The search history on Chegg is essentially a log of all the searches you've made on the platform. It's helpful in tracking your recent studies, but at times, you may want to delete it for privacy reasons or simply to declutter your account. So, how do you do it? Follow along to find out.
Navigating to Chegg website.
First off, go to the Chegg website. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you're not signed in, you won't be able to access your search history.
Accessing your account settings.
Once you're signed in, look for your profile on the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. In this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page.
Clearing your search history.
Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Chegg doesn't provide an option to clear your search history directly. However, since the Chegg website uses cookies to remember your search history, clearing your browser's cookies and cache should effectively erase your Chegg search history. To do this, navigate to your browser settings. Depending on the browser, this option may be under Privacy and Security or Advanced Settings. Look for an option that says Clear Browsing Data or Clear Cookies and Cache and click on it. Make sure to select the From All Time option to ensure all data is cleared. Once done, your Chegg search history should be erased. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete your search history on Chegg. We hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, clearing your browsing data can affect other sites as well, so ensure you're comfortable with the implications before proceeding. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask. Happy studying, and stay safe online.